Rimac Navara. The Rimac Navara is a Croatian electric hypercar that features 1,614 horsepower and is capable of achieving 0-60 mph in 1.85 seconds. This stunning performance is backed by advanced battery technology, making the Navara one of the fastest and most advanced electric cars in the world. Brands like Tesla, Porsche, Lucid Motors and Rimac are leading the way in electric sports cars, offering cutting-edge performance and unrivaled power. Electric sports cars are rewriting the rules of performance, offering a combination of speed, power and handling that traditional gasoline-powered cars can't match. Here's how they achieve it. Instant torque delivery. Electric motors deliver instant torque, meaning the car can accelerate without delay. This makes them incredibly fast, even from a standstill. Tesla's Roadster, for instance, accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in less than 1.9 seconds, which is faster than most supercars. All-wheel drive and handling. Many electric sports cars feature dual or quad-motor setups allowing for precise control and all-wheel drive performance. This enhances traction, stability, and handling, making them ideal for high-speed driving and cornering. The Porsche Taycan and Lucid Air Sapphire are prime examples of electric sports cars with superior handling capabilities. Battery technology. The secret to the performance of electric sports cars lies in their battery technology. Manufacturers are continuously improving lithium-ion batteries to provide higher energy density, faster charging times, and longer ranges. The Rimac Navara, for example, features a state-of-the-art battery pack that supports rapid acceleration and long-distance driving without sacrificing performance. Aerodynamics. To maximize speed and efficiency, electric sports cars are designed with aerodynamics in mind. Features like active spoilers, vented hoods, and smooth underbodies help reduce drag, allowing for higher top speeds and better efficiency. Electric sports cars excel in performance thanks to their instant torque, advanced battery systems, and superior aerodynamics, giving them a distinct advantage over traditional sports cars.